Hello friends, myself Sachin Kumar and today I am presenting a video on the queue. The queue is very important data structure. What is the queue? I am presenting now. So basically queue has two ends. First end is called rear, second end is called front. If we want to insert the item into the queue, then we have to use the rear end. If we want to remove the item from the queue, then we have to use the front end. I mean, for the insertion, we have to use the rear end. For the deletion, we have to use the front end. And queue data structure works on the concept of first in, first out. It simple means whatever we have inserted first, it will be removed first. So this concept is called first in, first out. If we talk about the working of the queue, how rear and front works. So here this is the queue and size of the queue is here 3. Here we have two elements. The two elements we have demonstrated here. Initial value of the rear and front is 0, -1. If queue is empty, then rear and front both are set to -1. So we have inserted here two items. If we have inserted 5, then rear is increased by 1. So initial value of the rear is -1. So after inserting, rear is 0. One more item 8 is inserted. Now rear is further increased by 1. So rear is now 1. So in this way, value of rear are increasing if we are inserting the item on the queue. Now, how we can remove the item? So whatever we have inserted first, we are removing first. So we have inserted 5 first. So we have removed 5 first. So initial value of front was -1. So if after removal of 5, front is increased by 1. So therefore, value of front equals to 0. So in this way, rear and fronts are working if we are inserting the item or we are removing the item from the queue. So if we talk about the insertion operation, so insertion simple means insert the item on the queue. It has two conditions, preconditions and post condition. If queue is already full, then insertion operation is not possible. If queue is not full, then we can insert the item onto the queue. In this case, rear is increased by 1. If we talk about the delete operation, then delete simple means removal of the item from the queue. So it has further two conditions. Conditions are precondition and post conditions. So preconditions means if queue is already empty, then deletion is not possible. If queue is not empty, then we can delete the item from the queue. If we talk about the implementation part of the queue, so in this example, I have taken here queue where size is 10. So I have made here a structure of the queue and item array I am taking here two variables rear and front for these two ends. If we talk about the insert operation, then we are inserting the item X onto the queue. So first of all, we are checking whether my queue is full or not. If queue is full, then rear equals to n minus 1. Insertion operation is not possible. Otherwise, we can insert the item onto the queue. So we are inserting X. If we are inserting X, then rear is increased by 1. If we talk about the remove operation, then first of all we are checking whether my queue is full or not. If rear equals to -1, then my queue is empty. Deletion is not possible. Removal is not possible. If queue is not empty, then we can delete the item from the queue. In this case, front is increasing by 1. So in this way, we can implement insert operation and delete operation in very simple steps. Thanking you.